gonna be on clown.
Okay.
I'm on,
gee,
oh, you're on
not
clown.
acting like a
Nah,
cow.
he's just, his white face gives him away. Okay, just take your foot up. He's not a fighter, that's for sure. I'm gonna bring you out here and check this out.
This is Captain?
Yeah, this is Captain.
Captain,
So
my
Candy will
Captain.
talk to you. Yes, you don't know your name, but...
Okay, ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bob, dear Bob. Happy birthday to you. All right. Yeah?
Ichi.
Ichi, sen.
Ni,
Ni, sen, yon, go.
Ni, sen, no, sen, nine. Okay, now to 7, 6. Very close.
That's my 10.
Hi!
Is that funnel cake?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta teach you about funnel cake.
Sorry.
How was it? Go!
Viene. Elevado hacia el bosque izquierdo, atrás va a buscar el baño con 3, 4 pasos cerca de la pista de seguridad. Como un brinco ahí corto para empezar la bola.
Can you ask me that question again?
Do you think this is the same as shell?
You mean like seashells?
Yes.
Peanut shells? I don't know, but I've never thought about it. What do you think?
I think almost same.
Alright, well, so... How do you like Jersey?
I love it.
Really?
Yep.
La truppa della faccia in farina.
So the shit change is going on.
Oh no! Oh no! Tell me another shift didn't beat the shit out of us.
It gets better. It's better than another shift.
Organization there along with my home brand. So that would be natural. But I don't think
Get slow.
Hello! I can still hear me.
It's pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.
This is bizarre. How long have you stood here and done this?
This is the first time.
You're kidding. How do you like Central Park? Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, it's not bad.
It's cute. It's going to be a lot scarier on the other side.
Yeah.